Répète après moi. La maladie. La maladie. Maladie. Okay, the sickness. Today we're gonna speak about this, the sickness. Down with the sickness. J'ai eu la COVID ou le COVID. Both are good. J'ai eu le COVID. I had the COVID. Okay, j'ai eu is I had the COVID. Une fois chez mon père. One time at my father place. Une fois chez mon père. One time at my father. Repeat. Une fois chez mon père. Mon odorat est devenu très étrange. Okay. Mon odorat est devenu très étrange. Which means my sense of smell became really strange. Okay. Mon odorat est devenu très étrange. Mon odorat est devenu très étrange. Tout sentait fort et bizarre. Tout sentait fort et bizarre. Okay. Everything was smelling, sentir, fort, strong, and strange. Okay, I guess it's the same meaning, like étrange and bizarre. Like, you know, bizarre. It's bizarre. It was smelling strong and bizarre. Or strange. Tout sentait fort et bizarre. Même les fruits. Même les fruits. Même les fruits. Even the fruits. Let me put a fan here. It's hot and humid. Humid. Okay. Hopefully we don't hear it in the... Ah, nice. Ok. Comme je ne voulais pas contaminer mon grand-père, I'll read one time like normally, and then we'll go like slowly, and you copy me, and then I'll tell you what it means, and then I will read the whole thing at once, and then you repeat, okay? Something like that. Comme je ne voulais pas contaminer mon grand-père. So, as I didn't want, vouloir here in the past, as I didn't want, ne pas, as I didn't want to contaminate my grandfather, okay, comme je ne voulais pas contaminer mon grand-père, j'ai dormi quelques jours dans une petite roulotte. Not that small. J'ai dormi quelques jours dans une petite roulotte. I slept couple days in a small roulotte. It's like a camping car, kinda. It got wheels, and you sleep in it. There's a bed, there's a little mini kitchen, little chair. It was pretty nice. Oops. J'ai dormi quelques jours dans une petite roulotte. J'ai dormi quelques jours dans une petite roulotte. Le jour même de ma présentation, so the exact day of my presentation. Okay, le jour même is like maybe more expression like. Le jour même, the day of my presentation. Le jour même de ma présentation, j'ai trouvé une tique dans mon dos après une marche en forêt. OK. J'ai trouvé, I have found, une tique et tic dans mon dos. OK. In my back, dans mon dos. Après une marche en forêt. OK. After a walk in the forest. C'était la première fois que je voyais une tique. It was the first time that I saw a tick. Okay. C'était, it was, la première fois que je voyais une tique. C'était la première fois que je voyais une tique. Actually, I will do it like this. I will say it, tell you what it means, and then go slowly so that you can get the pronunciation. Je l'ai jeté dans la toilette. Okay. I threw it in the toilet. Je l'ai jeté dans la toilette. J'ai de l'eczéma depuis plusieurs années. Okay, I have eczema since a couple years or many years. J'ai de l'eczéma depuis plusieurs années. Okay, and here if I did a little link there. Plusieurs années. J'ai de l'eczéma depuis plusieurs années. Une crème aide un peu. Okay. A cream helps a little bit. Une crème aide, or aide in Quebec, aide un peu. It's fine if you pronounce it like the French way, like aide. Une crème aide un peu. But here, une crème aide un peu. Aide. Mais ça revient toujours. But it always come back. Okay, but it always come back. Mais ça revient. Mais ça revient toujours. Toujours. Au Canada, in Canada, les médecins m'ont dit qu'il n'y avait pas de cure. Okay, the doctor told me there was no cure. What? I mean, not that they know of. Les médecins, we pronounce it médecin. Les médecins m'ont dit qu'il n'y avait pas de cure. Qu'il n'y avait pas de cure. Après de longues heures d'attente. Okay. After some long hours of waiting. Après de longues heures. Après de longues heures. Again, there's a link here. D'attente. Because it's a vowel. The next pronounced sound is a vowel here. We don't pronounce the S, and then we don't pronounce the H. But because there's a vowel after that is pronounced, now we're gonna do a link with the S there. Enjoy learning all that. Gonna learn it by force. Learn it like just like that as we do this. Au Japon, par contre, okay, in Japan, instead, au Japon, par contre, le médecin a fait beaucoup de tests. Okay. The doctor has done a lot of tests. Le médecin a fait beaucoup de tests. Le médecin a fait beaucoup de tests. Et semblait vraiment vouloir m'aider. And looked like, semblait is to look like, semblait vraiment vouloir m'aider. Like, looked like he really wanted to help me. M apostrophe here is me. Okay. Et semblait vraiment vouloir m'aider. Et semblait vraiment vouloir m'aider. Je pense que c'est culturel. I think that it is cultural. Culturel. Je pense, okay, je pense que c'est culturel. Je pense que c'est culturel. Au Japon, in Japan, au Japon, les gens t'aident avec beaucoup d'attention. Okay. The people help you, T apostrophe, with a lot of attention. Les gens t'aident avec beaucoup d'attention. Les gens t'aident avec beaucoup d'attention. Même à l'épicerie. Even at the grocery store. Même à l'épicerie. Petit conseil. Okay, small advice. Petit conseil. Si tu quittes le Québec plus de 6 mois, ou plus de 6 mois, you choose. If you quit Quebec for more than 6 months, okay, si tu quittes le Québec plus de 6 mois, tu perds ta carte d'assurance maladie. You lose your insurance card of sickness insurance card. Tu perds ta carte d'assurance maladie. Tu perds ta carte d'assurance maladie. Et, we can say tu dois, et tu dois en refaire la demande. Okay. Et dois en refaire la demande. And you must redo the demand is to ask. Like you must re-ask for it. And then you gotta wait. I'm still waiting. Till August. Okay. So, et doit en refaire la demande. One last little part here. Une personne a demandé si les médecins japonais pratiquaient la médecine occidentale. Okay, so a person has asked if the doctor Japanese was practicing the occidental medicine. So, une personne a demandé si les médecins japonais pratiquent la médecine occidentale. I don't know if I said pratiquait earlier, but it's pratique. Une personne a demandé si les médecins japonais pratiquent la médecine occidentale. And then I responded, oui, c'est une médecine standard, pas traditionnelle. Yes, it is a standard medicine, not traditional. So, oui, c'était une médecine standard, pas traditionnelle. Not traditional. Okay, that was it. Let's do a bit of flashcard. Okay, just to... Oh no, I gave you the first one. Let's skip it. J'ai de l'eczéma depuis plusieurs années. I have eczema since many years. It's easy.
Et semblait vraiment vouloir m'aider.
Et semblait vraiment vouloir m'aider. Okay, do you remember what semblait meant? It meant like, je semble travailler. It looked like I'm working, but you don't know if it really is. But in that case, like it really felt like they really want to help. They're really like they were doing like a allergy test. They did like some kind of stuff that they don't do in Canada. Ils semblaient vraiment vouloir m'aider. So they looked like they really wanted to help. If You see, and really seem to want to help me. If the picture in your head when you read the first French sentence is similar to that, you got it. Okay? If you had to think about it, you click good and not easy. Easy is instant. If you know it instantly, you click easy. If you had to think a little bit about it, good. If you really had to think about it, hard. And if after like 10 seconds or something you don't know it, like just don't wait 2 minutes, okay? Just again, and it is gonna come back tomorrow. So yeah, good.
Le jour même de ma présentation.
Le jour même de la présentation. What does it mean? What is même? Le jour même. It's the day of my presentation. On the very day of my presentation. You see? I was off a little bit, but it means the same exact thing. So, easy.
C'était la première fois que je voyais une tique.
Okay. It was the first time that I was seeing a tick. The little animal that looked like a small spider, but it's not a spider.
Au Japon, les gens taillent avec beaucoup d'attention, même à l'épicerie.
Au Japon, les gens taillent avec beaucoup d'attention, même à l'épicerie. Okay. In Japan, people they look at you with a lot of attention, even at the grocery store. I have a story like if you ask something at the grocery store, where is that? They will like, huh? And they will like listen to you super close. Okay, follow me, and then you follow them, and they will like put it in your hand, like here it is. In Canada, they're like, 6, I think. Aisle 6. So in Japan, people help you with a lot of attentiveness, even at the grocery store.
Au Japon, par contre, le médecin a fait beaucoup de tests.
Au Japon, par contre, le médecin a fait beaucoup de tests. So I'm not sure about how to translate me personally in English that, but in Japan though, the doctor did a lot of tests. On the other end, that's a good way to say it. In the other end. Okay, so that's it. That's enough. Okay, there's more flashcards.
C'était une médecine standard, pas traditionnelle.
There's a bunch more, but to get it, I will show you where to get them. It's gonna be quebecfrench.ca, or link is in the description. And then classroom, shadowing session, and then first here, instruction, flashcard here. And then all the flashcards are here for all the day. And all of these, you see they're draft because they're coming up. I'm recording right now. That's what I'm doing. So trying to keep one a day or 2. Probably going to be doing 2 today. And they're all going to be here before YouTube. And you see that's Quebec French Cool, the best place to learn Quebec French. The foundation, where you learn like all the basic stuff. 500 most used word pretty much, and pronunciation. And then now we're doing shadowing session with all these subjects. And then there will be like spoken Quebec French to really learn the way that we speak out loud, because it's a little bit different than the than the written version. And so it's gonna be 12 days of like contraction and expression of Quebec, which leads to input course, which is, you see, the same subject that we're seeing right now, but now it's like the real one. You see, this is the real transcript of me speaking about all I was speaking today, but like more in my own words. And there's the MP3 and there's some other flashcard for that. So if you're more advanced and you want to step up, it's here. And which leads to the next level, which is the output course. So now it's your turn to speak about these things. You'll know everything about me if you follow quebecfrench.ca for long enough. But I want to hear about you eventually. So this is what we do here in those group call, because we do group call, and it really helps to set kind of a deadline for you to, like, you know, tonight we're speaking about brothers and sisters, or maybe grandparents, like the rest of the family, because we did dad and mom, which was take quite a bit of time to speak about dad and mom, but maybe brothers and grandparents, we can do that quicker. So tonight it's gonna be that. So people that are subscribed to Quebec French School and that are gonna join tonight, they know like that we're gonna speak about that. We're gonna ask each other questions, so then they have time to prepare, to study a little bit. So yeah, you feel free to join. I would love to see you there, and I would love to get you from foundation up to output, so I can finally hear all the nice story you got. So this is it. Peace. Keep working. You're the best.